Some nouns that shows feminine gender are no longer in use. Look at the table below to see how we now refer to some old feminine nouns like authoress, poetess, actress, stewardess. It means some noun, कुछ ऐसे noun है जिनका feminine gender अब बहुत लंबे समय के लिए use नहीं हो रहा है because it looks old. Okay? Look at this two chart. Old English use. पहले use होते थे. Okay? Authoress, मॉडर्न इंग्लिश यूज टू रिफर टू बोथ मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन जेंडर. ये दोनों के लिए यूज होते हैं, मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन. ऑथरेस ऑथर, पोइटेस पोइट, एक्ट्रेस एक्टर, फ्लाइट स्टीवर्डेस फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट, सेल्समैन सेल्स पर्सन. कॉमन जेंडर नाउन. Some noun like student, doctor, baby do not indicate whether we are talking about a man or a woman. They are commonly used to refer to both male and female. Yes, which I told you just before, like some nouns, कुछ ऐसे noun होते हैं जो student हो, student कोई भी हो सकता है, either it is male or female. Doctor, doctor लड़के भी हो सकते हैं और लड़कियां भी. Baby, baby कोई भी हो सकता है, either it is baby boy और baby girl. सो अगर हम स्टूडेंट, डॉक्टर और बेबी बोलेंगे तो ये किसी को भी क्लियर नहीं होगा कि ये मैन के लिए है और वुमेन के लिए. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉमन जेंडर. इफ वी यूज द पर्टिकुलर name like baby boy or baby girl, then we have to understand this. Baby boy means masculine gender and baby girl means feminine gender. Okay? Noun that can refer to either female or male organism are common gender noun. It means, what is common gender noun? Common gender noun means this noun is referred to male and female. And here is some more example like nurse, doctor, friend, teacher, pilot, child, cousin, etc. Cousin, your cousin is female also and male also. Same as your friend. Same as your teacher, pilot, child. We can use either he or she with this noun depending on the context. Yes, if your friend is female, then we have to she. You have to use she. And when your friend is male, then you have to use he. For example, my mother is a pilot. See, my mother. Whose mother? My mother. So mother is female. So here written over here she, which I told you just before. If it is female, then use she, and if it is male, then use he. She flies the Boeing 747. My father is a pilot too. Means उसके जो father हैं, he is also pilot. He flies the fighter aircraft. So in father के जगह पर क्या लिखा गया? He. Okay? It depends on whether it is a female or male. What is neuter gender? Last. Neuter gender noun. What is neuter gender noun? Let's see. Non-living objects are neither female nor male. They have no gender. Non-living means जिसमें जान नहीं होता है. Okay? That is neither female nor male. उसको वो ना फीमेल होता है ना मेल होता है. Like table, chair, bed, fan. Noun that refers to non-living objects are neuter gender. Which objects is non-living? That is called neuter gender noun. Here is some example. Table, toy, hill, house, carrot, plane, etc. So students, I explained this 4 noun from your book, but in your book masculine and feminine gender definition is not clear. So I use this to understand what is masculine gender and feminine gender. I hope you understand. If you have any doubts or queries, let me know. Okay? Thank you.